Hi, I am Revathi. I am working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Engineering in Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we are going to discuss the topic about distributed database. Types of distributed database. There are two types of distributed database: homogeneous database, heterogeneous database. Homogeneous database. The homogeneous database are kind of database system in which all sites have identical software running on them. In the system, all the sites are aware of the other sites present in the system and they all cooperate in processing user request. Each site present in the system surrenders part of its autonomy in terms of right to change schema of software. The homogeneous database systems appear as a single system to the user. Here, three departments are connected and each departments are connected to Oracle through communication channel. This is homogeneous distributed system. Next one is heterogeneous database. The heterogeneous database are a kind of database systems in which different sites have different schema or software. Here departments are connected, department 1, department 2, department 3 connected through communication channel, but department 1 connected with SQL Server, Department 3 connected with Oracle 9i, Department 2 connected with MS Access. The participating sites are not aware of other sites present in the system. These sites provide limited facilities for cooperation in transaction processing. In this architecture, the local database is maintained by each site. Each site is interconnected by communication network. When user makes a request for particular data at site SI, then it's first searched at the local database. If the data is not present in the local database, then the request for the data is passed to all the other sites via communication network. Each site then searches for the data at its local database. When data is found at particular site, say SJ, then it is transmitted to site SI via communication network. Data storage. There are two approaches for storing relation or in distributed database. Data storage is divided into two approaches, that is replication and fragmentation. Replication. System maintains multiple copies of data stored in different sites for grind, faster retrieval, and fault tolerance. Fragmentation. Relation is partitioned into several fragments stored in distinct sites. Data replication. Data replication means storing a copy or replica of a relation fragments in two or more sites. There are two methods of data replication: full replication, partial replication. Full replication. In this approach, the entire relation is stored at all the sites. In this approach, full redundant database are those in which every site contains a copy of the entire database. Partial replication. In this approach, only some fragments of relation are replicated on the sites. Advantages of data replication. Availability. Data replication facilities increased availability of data. Parallelism. Queries can be processed by several sites in parallel. Faster accessing. The relation OR is locally available at each site, hence data accessing becomes faster. Disadvantages of data replication: increased cost of update. The major disadvantage of data replication is increased bit cost of updated. That means each replica of relation or must be updated from all the sites if user makes a request for some updates in relation. Thank you.